Alright, so I'm out here in King Salmon, just spending some time here. It's been a little while. Beautiful day, just to take a stroll and take the camera for a walk too. I haven't been out here in a long time, especially to like this part here as you like enter King Salmon itself. Just a little set of docks and a couple little businesses here. I think they're all like seasonal. Oh, nice little back patio area. I think this is pretty much the only like public dock slash harbor in King Salmon, and there's a couple other like smaller privately owned ones behind some of these homes, but yeah, these ones are old. Look at some of this woodwork here. All the railings are showing their age. I actually knew somebody who had a home with the sort of the channel behind it, and they had a little canoe, and they used to go out on the bay on it. It was really neat. King Salmon has the potential to be a really, really nice town. Like many little towns in Humboldt, it just needs a little fine tuning, but it's beautiful. A nice quiet day here in King Salmon. I almost said Queen Salmon. I don't know if that's a thing or not, but King Salmon sure is delicious. Oh, please don't fall down. You never know with these old docks, huh? Go check out these fishing vessels. And the water level is pretty low right now. I wonder if it's low tide. Yeah, look at this old beast. It's seen its fair share of seasons. Yeah, cool stuff. Cool stuff. This is a part of Humboldt I don't go to very often, so this is actually my first time on this dock. I actually used to live in King Salmon. Many years ago, I lived on Sole Street, S-O-L-E, one of several street names named after aquatic life. Kind of a nice, charming touch to the small town. I don't think King Salmon is actually considered a town because it doesn't have a post office. I think it's just part of like greater Eureka. I do believe the zip code out here is 95503, so that would put it in Eureka jurisdiction. Local company seafood market. That sign's been there for a long time. Well, I think that's about it. I just wanted to get some footage of these docks because it's pretty neat. I like nautically themed places. I like to go explore them. part of the reason why I'm looking forward to going back to Maine. There's just so much of it there. Very cool. All right. That's it for now. I'll see y'all later. Here's a neat little view at the very end of King Salmon over here by Gills by the Bay. A great little spot to hunker down and have a quick bite. You can see Humboldt Hill way over there, and then Fields Landing just right over there. And there's a little dog on the very front of that boat that's going 1,000,000 miles per hour. Pretty cool. Hey, I just wanted to show you a couple modern homes recently built here in King Salmon. They really pop out. They are beautiful. There are people living in these, so obviously I don't want to linger too long, but I just wanted to show you that architecture. And we're going to go down Cod Street here, and I want to show you some other homes. Very, very interesting design. I gotta show you those as well. But a mix of all different types of homes. Mobile homes, little sea cottages. And then look at these. Built for the rising water. That is fantastic. And there are 4 of those things. I've never seen those before. But these are beach homes. Holy cow. Those are amazing. Wow. I can't decide which one I like the most. Probably this one here. I like the colors on those. Anyways, there's people looking out the windows and I don't want to see too suspect, but those are cool. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. I can dream, can't I? Well, one day. Who knows? Who knows? I would love to own a home like this, especially that first one. That is the Lighthouse Inn. That's an older building. I mean, it's been around probably about 15-20 years now. But that architecture is pretty impressive. And then this little gem over here on the end. That's not a bad house either. Cool aesthetic. You know, the majority of homes here in King Salmon are definitely, they're older and they're run down. They're sort of falling apart and they've seen better days, but it's the few newer modern ones that really add to the charm, I think, of having the old mixed in with the new. That's pretty exciting. Anyways, I just wanted to show you some of the homes of King Salmon. Here's an old one, probably one of the first ones, or the last remaining 2-story sea homes you can still see in King Salmon. That's it. See y'all later.